Hey there, Buy Smart family! Welcome back to the channel where we help you spend your hard-earned cash wisely. Because who wants to throw money away, right? Today, we're diving into the world of floor cleaning, battling it out between two heavyweights, the Bissell SpinWave Cordless Pet Mop and the Kenmore SM2050 2-in-1 Steam Mop. Who will reign supreme as the ultimate floor cleaning champion? Let's find out. First up, let's talk about the price. The Bissell SpinWave is going to set you back about $154. Ouch, that's like a fancy dinner for two or one really extravagant pizza. Meanwhile, the Kenmore comes in at a wallet-friendly $89. That's practically a steal. So if you're on a budget, the Kenmore is the cheaper date here. Reviewers generally agree that the Kenmore offers great value for money, especially for those on a tighter budget, while the Bissell, although pricier, is praised for its performance and ease of use, especially by those with pets. Now, let's talk features. The Bissell SpinWave boasts cordless freedom with an 18 volts lithium-ion battery that gives you a solid 20 minutes of runtime. That's enough time to clean your floors, do a quick dance, and maybe even answer a text, if you're quick. Reviewers love its cordless design, especially those with physical limitations, as it makes cleaning easier. On the other hand, the Kenmore is a 2-in-1 steam mop that can clean everything from hard floors to your grandma's precious carpet. It's like the Swiss Army knife of mops. However, some users have noted that the steam mop doesn't produce as much steam as expected for tougher jobs. Overall, while Bissell offers convenience, Kenmore provides versatility. When it comes to cleaning power, the Bissell has powerful spinning mop pads that restore your floor's natural shine. Reviewers mention that it effectively cleans grout and laminate wood floors, making it ideal for those with pets or kids. However, some have expressed disappointment with its battery life. Meanwhile, the Kenmore claims to remove 99.9% of dust with the power of steam. Reviewers confirm its effectiveness on various surfaces, but caution that it may not be as powerful on carpets as one might hope. Overall, Bissell shines in day-to-day cleaning, while Kenmore excels in sanitizing with steam. Now, let's talk accessories. The Bissell comes with mop pads and trial-size formulas, which some users found handy. However, others wished for additional attachments. Meanwhile, the Kenmore is like a cleaning toolbox on steroids. It includes a bristle tool, angle tool, scraper tool, and even a carpet slider. Reviewers rave about the multiple attachments that enhance its versatility for various cleaning jobs, although some find the handheld feature underwhelming for certain tasks. Overall, Kenmore takes the lead in terms of included tools and versatility. In summary, the Bissell SpinWave Cordless Pet Mop is favored for its ease of use and effectiveness, particularly among pet owners, despite some concerns about battery life. The Kenmore SM2050, while more affordable, is appreciated for its versatility and variety of attachments, although some users have reported issues with steam production and customer service. So which mop should you choose? If you want cordless freedom and a touch of pet-loving goodness, the Bissell SpinWave is your go-to. But if you're looking for versatility and a budget-friendly option, the Kenmore SM2050 is the way to go. Either way, you'll be cleaning like a pro in no time. Let us know in the comments which mop you'd pick. And remember, whether you're Team Bissell or Team Kenmore, always buy smart. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more product comparisons. Until next time, keep it clean and keep it funny.